saying?
Then you want to start the intro.
I already started it. I already started it. Don't call me a monkey, mister. And hello, guys! Oh.
You just obliterated my ears.
Hello, guys.
Man. The video just obliterated my ears, man.
I obliterated bro's ears. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're playing Build a Boat with the man who signed up. And I just obliterated his ears. And also guys, I was playing this game earlier and I got this plushie. It's pretty simple. You make a boat and go to the end. I have a... what? No. Well, I have a technique. I have a technique on how to get to the... Okay guys, I have a technique on how to get to the end, guys.
Nice.
The technique is simple. Boop, 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 boop. And one here. No, I don't need help.
No, you don't need to.
1, 2. No, stop! No!
So good, right? But what are you making?
I'm making the best boat in the world.
Did you know that this guy needs...
This guy needs some milk. Bro, delete that. Okay. Yeah, bro, you see? This technique is so overpowered. Look, watch. Watch me drive past everything, bro.
No, dude, you're gonna crash into one rock and then obliterate me.
But you said you don't know how to play this game. How do you know that the rock deals damage?
No, if I crash into a rock, I can just pull it out. You saying that?
Okay, guys, so the game is pretty simple. Build a boat and get to the end. Build a boat and get to the end. Get gold, buy new stuff. Build a boat and get to the end. Yeah, simple, guys. So watch me as we pass everything because I am the best gamer alive.
No,
No, I did not. Popcorn.
look.
No, please. I hate this stage. I almost died to this. Ah! Ah! What is going on? What happened to my hair? No.
Now you die.
So guys, I got 40 gold. Easy peasy. And I got a new... Oh, I got a new item, bro.
Nice, wait. I got chest.
Yeah, me too.
I can buy chest. I can use chest now.
We
I can
can
buy the red.
we can use these golds to buy new stuff.
Yo, I got something like a stick.
A stick? What kind?
What's this?
I don't know. What is that?
No. So loud.
Wait, how did you cut mine off? Hey, what is this? That is not a car. What is that? No, let me on. He will never let us on. So anyways, as I was saying, We have to build the best boat alive, okay?
Okay.
Let's make like, oh! Wait, I know how to, play this game. Make like a short, let's make like a tower, bro.
Yeah.
A tower is the best thing you could ever do. No, not like that, bro. We make the first floor, second floor, third floor. Yeah.
Oh, okay, but don't you think
Nah, bro. We got this. Can you fill this in?
I got the lantern.
How can I? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. So. What?
Oh.
How did we do that? How did
I
we
don't
do
know.
that?
Funny.
No, bro. Wait, delete that. It's too short. Place another ladder. Another ladder. Place another ladder.
What?
Place another ladder. Like 2 ladders going upwards.
I don't have 2 ladders.
What? Oh, then I know how to get up. Wait, no, actually, let's just make the best boat alive.
Yeah.
Boop, boop, boop. Stop sniffing my booty. Okay. What's so funny, huh?
You.
I am not funny, for I am your mommy.
Oh, so my mom is funny.
Yeah. Okay. It's facing the wrong way. Okay. That's good. No, wait. I have an idea. Wait, place it down. We can make an elevator with that.
Yeah. But I don't have any more materials.
Look. Click it. What? It won't
What
work.
is that?
It won't work, bro. What in the... it won't work when you place a block on it.
Wait, I know how to do it. There's like something then. Wait, let me try. Wait a minute. It works now.
Bro, how do you save this build? I was watching a YouTube video on this and you could save the build. How do you save this?
Wait. There's no settings in this game.
Oh.
Wait, no, there is. The menu? Yeah, the menu.
What menu? Oops, that's the wrong. I don't see no menu, bro.
Like a menu. Like UCSS and like slides.
No?
Oh, how?
I don't see anything. Well, let's open these chests. You mean this thing? Oh, menu.
Yeah,
Shop, themes, save. There's saves. How do we save?
I don't remember.
Are you sure you want to save it? Yeah. Let's name this boat Epic. Let's save one more time just to make sure. Okay.
Wait, I still didn't place all of them.
No, bro. It's fine. It's fine. The chest will act as our shield.
Yeah, I did this too.
We saved. Don't worry.
Yeah, I see it. Except the chest.
What? What in the world? Okay.
You were reflecting the...
What? Yo, how did you do that? That was so epic. epic.
Wow.
That's so epic.
What did I do, man?
Okay, so apparently this game is pretty fun, pretty cool, pretty sick. Bro, why are you flying in the air? What? I'm running into blocks.
If you fall out, dude, if you flip the whole boat, I could be the one that lifts this up. And you will be safe, and I'll be the one that will die in this game.
You'll be the one who will die. Because if this boat flips, your head will go in the water and you will drown.
Yeah, but can't I just put my head up?
Oh no. Oh no. It's that. No! Our shield!
No!
Okay, this is the part where we died. What are those guys? It's breaking my chair! My chair! Hey! My chair! How could you?
What did you do, man? You were running so fast that your shadow broke and mine didn't. I guess I have to reset.
Oh man. So let's work on a teamwork boat, bro.
Look, now we can get like little ships.
Episk. Yeah, I already got some better chests. What? What happened? Bro, what happened?
I didn't save yet. Wait. I'm gonna...
What happened to the boat?
Wait.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, let me add more protection. One there. One there.
I think it's time we work on the second floor.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait, no bro, remove the chests.
Wait, why?
The chests have failed us. Okay, now we make the walls of our base.
Yeah.
Now let's make this beautiful. Hey, new editor, can you cut it to the elevator? Thank you.
What?
Let's add a window here. Perfect. Going pretty well. Let's add a door, bro. Let's add a door. I will not be cutting this. I added the door, bro.
Yeah.
You have a balloon?
Yeah.
That's nice to know. We can now fly.
Yeah, we could fly now. We just have to protect this. Let me just protect myself.
Wait, let me save real quick. Wait, can you clear all?
Yeah, I'm saving about clear all. Wait, you want me to clear all?
No, just like reloading.
Okay.
So that we can get distracted.
There.
Wait, how did you reload so fast?
Because I realized
You did that so fast. What is this?
oh, wait, what the?
It's like a triangle. Let's add it here.
Yeah. What the fuck? Someone's brain is so big. It doesn't have a chest.
The chest? We'll add it later on.
No, we can add it to the roof for you.
think it's a bit too crowded. Okay, let me save. Okay, guys. Just put it at front.
The front? Okay.
Okay, our good boat is ready, right?
No, not yet.
Bro, go in the skies later. Don't go in the skies yet.
Okay, we are.
Okay, perfect. Save.
I have a torch. There.
Okay. Save.
Yeah, I'm gonna save.
I already saved mine.
There, I see. Let's go.
I forgot to add the motor. Wait, reset. Reset. No, the torch!
Our boat is gone. But we can.
Wait, did I even save it?
You did save it, okay. What happened?
Let me add the motor. Let me see.
There, yeah, come on, let's launch.
Yeah! Do. Our chest rip.
But if you're over at the left, we're gonna go.
Okay. When somebody's shooting at us, go up so that nobody can shoot you. Because they are targeting me, the controller.
Why would you want to be attacked?
Nah, bro, I'll save you. Because you are the best here. No.
I'm scared. I'm going up.
What? No, don't go up. Mushrooms.
Oh no.
Bro, dude, there's new mushrooms. Well, why are you going up?
No.
The rocks can reach that, you know. Oh. No! Should I reset?
No, keep going.
Keep going. Okay. We lost a soldier, guys. He was so brave, so noble. He was too good. But he gone. What in the world? That guy's boat! That guy's boat went everywhere. No, please. Please, no. No, my boat is flipped. Flipped! Yes, it's back to normal. Okay. No, these epic monsters. Oh! No. Doggo. No! No! Oh no, a piece of my boat. A pancake area? Pretty sick. Bro, dude, there is a pancake area.
Nice.
Okay. A beehive area? This is not a beehive. No! The boat exploded! No! We went so far, guys!
I am back.
I guess we have to work more on this boat.
Yeah.
What happened to the boat, man?
I don't know. Wait. Where the pen?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I'm getting more things.
Okay, wait. I'm just buying some more chests so that we can finally finish the second floor. try buying some more stuff. Okay, this stuff is good. Yo, bro, can I make the walls?
But sure, wait, sometime we make it.
I'll make the walls. I'll just make the walls, okay?
Okay.
The balloon is blocking my way from placing. Oh. Hey, bro.
Well,
Can you move the balloon?
oh yeah, the balloon I forgot.
Can you, like, move the balloon on top? Like this thing?
Yeah. You want to place it at my place?
Oh, yeah, you can place it at your place. I'm just trying. Bro, excuse me. I need to make the walls. Thank you. Boop. Yeah, I'll keep that person.
It's just making your place a bit more stronger.
Yeah, bro. And what are these things? Hey, wait, no, wait. Delete this rotten block and make it straight. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I have so many things, but oh, yes! Yeah, let's go! A proper door!
Mm.
Wait, let me just rotate this. Finally.
Look, you now have a door.
Yes! I guess this will be a good use.
Oh wait, I'm gonna save.
Wait, no, wait. Let's save it together.
Yeah, wait, I'm just gonna. Like, I just here, so when you're like going, like if both of us went back, we could like if I went back, I could come here and then climb.
Good idea.
You know.
Okay, it's time to add more protection.
Okay. I kinda wait. Should I just like add the driver's seat and the thing because that's the only thing I have left.
But we already have a driver thing.
I know, I like something for protection. At least like plan for protection. Defense.
Yeah, okay, you could place.
Wait, let me see something. The horse has 4 strengths. That's not bad. That's not the thruster. Hey, wow.
Wait, you have a thruster? What is a thruster?
Yeah, I meant the boat water.
Huh? Well, can you explain what is a thruster?
I don't remember. I just said driving, but we done. I remember if you check the. Wait, no.
Wait, bro, save. I'm about to launch.
What?
I'm about to launch.
Okay, I saved. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go! What in the world? Hey, bro. You're What are you doing? Bro, the motor fell. Your motor fell off. Turn on the balloon. We can fly now.
Wait, no, we're not flying.
What?
Wait, no, this could help. I think this we could get on the boat. Maybe if we maybe if it's like destroyed a bit, we could the balloon could lift it up.
Okay. Guys, this boat will make it to the end. If you don't believe me, just believe me. that was so random. How is that even proof?
Around the map.
There's somebody here.
Yeah. His boat is so bad. Perfection.
Try and flip us back up.
I'm gonna die. I'm definitely the one that's gonna take all of the damage.
We are not looking too good. Shit! Guys, let's restart and wait for our brother in. Wait, actually, guys, we're going. Yeah, bro, you have to be inside.
Yeah, I'm gonna upgrade it a bit.
Okay, I'll try and get to the end without you. And once I make it to the end, I will share the treasure with you and maybe even help you get to the end.
Yeah.
Oh, and guys, we will be making... Whoa! Mustard and ketchup? We will be making more videos. We'll be making more videos and build a boat. No, please, mustard and ketchup. The boat is dying.
Oh.
No, what happened to the hair in my hat?
All I see now is the internet.
Oh, I'm dying, and I died. I was so close to the end.
You went to the end?
I was so close to the end.
No, okay, let's try again.
Wait, bro, I need to open some chests before I load it back in.
Not yet.
Okay, we're getting some more materials, guys, so that we can,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What's happened to the boat? Okay, wait. Padam!
Okay.
Wait, let's delete these barriers. They just fell off when I launched. We need to make way. Wait, bro, let's upgrade the base a bit. Leave the door open, man. Yeah, but bro, our roof is not working well.
I know, but it's good. Yeah, it's good a bit.
Yeah, let's lift it up even higher, bro.
Yeah, I need to see someone. I have to see. It's a concept.
Bro, let's lift the roof higher. Delete the roof and make it a bit higher.
Oh, okay. Last time?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this thing? Hey, bro, what is this? Wait, why are you sitting on my driver's seat? Bro, what is this thing, though? I think it's to give the blocks more strength. Let's fill it in, bro. Maybe it will give more strength.
Wait,
Let's place it right here. It's kind of like a parasite.
the camera I think I have
Wait, why is it going so low? Bro, why is it becoming so low?
What's so long?
This one. Look. This concrete and that marble.
I don't know.
Wait, bro, delete the sides because I will be the one making the wall.
Okay.
Because I have a lot of bricks. What's this thing? Yeah!
Oh,
What in the world? Pornhub. Pornhub? Why is there an anime girl in here?
honestly. I don't know.
What in the world was that, bro?
I don't know, but I need to I
Rip. Huh. I'm trying to figure out how to make the base more stable. Because there is literally a table with a bunch of labels. And it will never be enabled.
Nice.
Wait, what? You keep sitting in my driving seat. To finish it off, let me save. Oh, you'll be the controller this time? You will be in charge of the cannon, okay? Oh, oof, rip. I thought we were already good to go. No. Guys, epic fail, epic fail. This video is already 30 minutes long. Clear the way! Oh, what did you do? What did you do, bro? Yeah, I know, bro. Okay, delete the rocks. Yeah. Ow! Bro, it's because it's so heavy, okay? I have to hold it to just control it. Yes! Pretzel, cotton candy, hot dogs! No, baseball! Oh no. Ha, we dodged it. No. Oh! I can barely control the boat. Oh, this is the part where we died, bro. What is going on with the motor? It's malfunctioning, bro. Your seat, bro? Why are you standing up? Bro, sit in that seat on the wall. No! Okay, stay there. That's how we can make sure you will stay alive. Yeah, I know, bro. No. No mustard and ketchup. No, please. Please, no mustard and ketchup. No mustard and ketchup. No! They're spraying. No! I gotta sit. Oh, survive until the other movie.
No, I'm still alive. But no. I'm on a block.
I'm out.
No. I almost just died. I don't know what the block then. Oh no, those crocodiles.
Crocodiles.
No, hit my block.
We're so guys. Hello, bro.
No. How about 69 gold?
Okay. Load in your boat!
Wait, I'm anxious. What another balloon? Yeah.
I got a bunch of new blocks. Wait, what happened?
Yeah, give me five.
What? Oh, yeah. Well, bro, I will make the roof this time.
Okay.
You make the walls.
Okay. Just adding,
Okay. It's pretty sick. Bro! How did I get in here? Okay. Okay. What are you trying to do? Oh, should I delete it for you?
No.
Okay. We're being focused, guys. No!
I'm better slide upside down. I'm gonna add piston to make it go up.
Okay,
Is
sick.
that a good idea?
Yeah.
There.
I got a new block. I'll be replacing our chairs, bro.
Okay, I'm just gonna make something.
What happened?
I can't unconnect the driver's seat and the piston. Like, look,
Unconnect?
look.
How do you unconnect?
I don't know, but look. It goes down every time the phone.
Ooh.
You see? So I can't use that.
Rip.
Yeah, I'm gonna add it.
Wait, I think we're done, right?
Wait, no, I'm still adding. Adding lots of texture.
Okay, guys. If we finally make it to the end, this is our last sale, okay?
Yeah.
After this round, we will end it, the video.
Yeah.
Okay, save. Come on, this video is about to be 1 hour long because of this.
Yeah. Now I have my values.
Sit. Go! Oh. Okay, guys. If we if it doesn't matter if we don't make it or if we make it, because we will end the video either way.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, guys. Well, why are we going backwards? Okay. You will be I will be controller number 1. You be controller number 2. Okay. You will be the turn. The turn.
Okay.
Why are we going forward? This is so risky. Turn it together, sure. Yes! What is it? Wow, wow. Ninja stars. Ay, ay. We're stuck. Bro, no, no, no. Don't control it. You can't control it when you're... Ay, ay! Oh! No, what are you doing? Oh! Ay! Ooh! What is this place? Oh! This is our chance to turn around. Wait! Look. Look, wait. I know this map. This is how I got gold. Are you kidding me right now? Stop controlling the boat. Oh, good. We're now upside down. Oh my. We were so close. You know! Okay, just stop controlling, bro. Stop controlling.
I'm not controlling.
Okay, okay. No, dude, stop moving.
No, I'm about to hit them. Don't.
Because you're only sending us backwards when we control. Yay! Okay, we made it. Oh no. Oh no, bro. What are you trying to do? What? That guy!
No.
That guy is our shield. Okay. Guys, we might make it to the end. Oh! Yay! Oh! What is this? Oh, we're gonna fall. We're gonna fall. I'm trying to flip us back up.
If we're going to back stack a lot of stuff.
No! Oh, yay! This is really good. Now, bro, I'll stay right here.
Oh, okay.
Yes! We made that. Okay. We cooked, bro. We cooked.
Yeah, you're gonna go to the pantry.
How do you know? Oh, wait, no. Mustard and ketchup. Mustard and ketchup.
Oh man, everything is getting destroyed.
No, dude, this is good. This is good. Bro, because the floor is now our roof. We have to depend on it. And I'm dying. No!
It's
No!
so high on the
No. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like the video. And if you don't like the video, like the video. We'll be making more videos.
Yeah.
Ah!